Brother Jerome.
Sige na po, ako na lang po. Kasi po, yung
Yeah.
when everything around seems to be falling apart, you trust. Jesus, I trust in you. Why do you trust Jesus? Because you love Him. So kung wala kang pera, di punta kay Jesus. Jesus, I trust you. So you just pray for Him. So you give your full trust, you abandon yourself. Kasi nangyari eh. Napatunayan naman eh. So I give na my full trust. I already na kumbaga na naipadama niya eh. So yun lang i-requite ko lang siguro yung mga past na yung mga hindi ko pagkakataon na hindi ko naibigay yung pagmamahal. So this is parang my time to make bawi. So that's why I spend more time with him. Ganyan sa Blessed Sacrament o kaya in the Mass. So you always have a date with the Lord parati every day together with of course Mama Mary through the Rosary. So you have nothing to to be afraid of because you have the Lord is there. So you just have to do your part. It's a battle, so it's an everyday battle. So you just continue to lang po. Yun lang po yung trust na maibigay natin. Jesus, I trust in you. Ibig sabihin nun that you love the Lord with all your heart. So you give your everything. The, but of course, you continue to pray na uh, bigyan kanya ng grasya, ng grace na ma-overcome mo rin yung mga mga weaknesses sa buhay. Of course, andyan, ma-cleanse ka niya. Para hindi na tayo pupunta ng purgatorio.
Amen.
Diretso na tayo doon sa kanya. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Thank you, Brother Jerome.